If you're looking for a simple way to earn money online, this video will show you exactly how to sign up and start earning with WriteReviews.com step by step. First, go to the official WriteReviews.com site. I've dropped the verified link in the description to avoid fake sites. Then, just enter your name, email, and create a password. No special qualifications, anyone can join. Once you're in, they'll walk you through a quick welcome tutorial. After signing up, you'll get access to a dashboard where you can choose from a list of apps to review: gaming, lifestyle, productivity, and more. Just pick one, try it out, and write your honest review. They even give you a done-for-you website where your reviews get posted automatically. They also include training on how to write better reviews, improve SEO, and even rank on Google. So you're not just earning, you're gaining real online writing skills. Ready to give it a try? Click the link below to sign up for WriteReviews.com and start your first app review today. It's flexible, beginner friendly, and yes, you really can earn from home with just your phone and laptop.